There's Noah trying to get in a crawling stance. Oh, good job.
Come on, sweetie. You could do it. Oh, he knows he has an audience now.
Look, and Christina's shoe. Don't you want her shoe? Booger.
Come here and get Grandma's watch.
Okay, today is December 20th. We just had like 15 inches of snow yesterday. Yeah.
Come on.
He's concentrating. He's got his mouth hanging open.
Come on, here it is.
Oh, look at you.
Okay, get it. Oh, just a little further. Oh. Layla, excuse me, honey.
Hi, Booger. Hi, Layla.
Lick the camera.
Yep. There he is.
Look at it.
Yeah. Hi.
Oh, the soap. He likes that. Come on. Oh, that tasted bad, whatever it was. I'll take my phone. Oh, those are Lucy's cell phone.
Oh, and he's over. So maybe we'll try again later.